Well, welcome to video number, is it 5, this one? I think it might be 5. We've gone through most of the settings that I can think of to show you as a new member, so I think this one is going to be really a general overview of Spirit Charms. So, as a new member, when you come onto the forum, you signed in, and you've done all your settings and things. So basically you want to look at the information that's in front of you on the main page where you've got all the forums there like this. Well, first of all, at the top of Spirit Charms you'll see this category here, and all these categories are basically just information. We have a help desk, so if you get stuck with anything, of course you can go into here and you'll see all the different topics to do with different things, how to add photographs and so on, for those that get stuck. Of course we have these things are announcements, which are all, if they're stuck, if they're stuck they're called stickies, and these are usually important information that you might want to have a look at before you do anything else. I'll just run through the boxes on the right hand side. Here we have a shout box, which of course you need to post at least once to be able to use this. So you need to post at least one post to be able to use this. But basically you just type into there. You can add a smiley there, like so, and you just type in there and press shout, and it will write a message like so. This isn't a chat, by the way, so it's not. You can talk to the members on this, but it only updates every 30 seconds. So it isn't particularly instant, but it's okay for saying hello, I'm here, or some other nonsense that you might want to just share with everybody else. And now, if you come further down, we have recent blog entries. Here you will find members' recent blogs. So if you write a blog, it will actually show in the recent blog entries. Now going further down, we've got recent added topics, which is when you start a new topic, it will go into there. So this is the recent added topics. When it gets some reply, when somebody replies to it, it will move down to the latest discussions. It will still stay here as a recently added topic, but when people reply to it, it will come in here as well. As you can see, all these latest discussions that we've got here. Recent status updates. A status, well, if you're on Facebook, then you'll know what a status is. It's just basically a one-liner. It's like here, Tim is back from his holidays. Spirit Love busy this week, probably until Christmas. Wingman is eating chocolate. So basically all you do is you just go into there, type something, press that, and that will also show. If I just do this, I'll show you. If you just put testing like that, and click that, you update status, and you'll see that there we go. And if you go to your profile, you'll see that it's updated there. You can also update it from here as well. From this is your profile, of course. You can also update it in your profile as well. So you can put testing even more, or whatever you like. Save changes, and there you go, it's in there, and you'll see that it's also there as well. Now you'll see in everything that all, no matter whether you're here or in any of the forums, of course, you'll see that members' names are actually links, and these links go, if you press on their screen name, it takes you to the profile. Of course, this is where you can check this member out, check the topics, and check the posts and the blogs. Of course, you can. This is where, of course, we covered it in an earlier video. You can add me as a friend, send me a message, and things like that. And you can just check out the profile here, like that. And that is no matter where you are. So you can go there, like so, and it takes you to their profile. And that doesn't matter where you are. If so, for instance, if you go to the forums, like so, and you click on any topic in there, you look at the member, you'll see, in this case we've got a topic called Silver Code by Normie, and you can see that his screen name is a link. So of course, if you click on that link, you can check him out there, add him as a friend or send him a message or whatever, look at his comments in his profile and so on. And all these are the same. Every screen name is a link to people's profiles, so it makes it an easy way to check people out, make friends with them, send them messages and so on. Right, if you look at the top here, I'm going to take you through these tabs at the top. Of course, we know the forum ones. This members, if you click on that, it gives you a list of all the members of Spirit Charms. And again, you can go through the list, and if you like, if you want to check somebody out because they've got a good reputation, then you just click again on the screen name, and it takes you to their profile. We've got a help section other than the one that's on the forum itself. This is just a rundown of things like how to register, shoutbox, logging in and out, your settings and so on. And if you click on any of them, it will give you a rundown of what different things mean, like so. Next off, we've got a calendar where you can add an event. You can add a recurring event, or add a ranged event, or add a single event. And here you see in the calendar we've got different things. It's like different people's birthdays, different members' birthdays. But if you've got some event that you want to tell people about, then you just come into this calendar and you just add a single event, and that's quite informative. And all these actually, although there isn't one today, but if there was, it actually shows. It shows on the forum at the bottom here. There you go, up and coming calendar events, but there is no events today. But if you want to tell them, if you want to tell the forum about some event that's coming up, you can post about it if you like, but you can also remind people by adding it to the calendar there. You don't have to put your birthdays in, because if you're filling correctly your date of birth, then it will automatically show here when it's your birthday to remind people that it's your birthday.